Hey guys, welcome back to 𝐈𝐧𝐸𝐞𝐽, the cooking channel that's not so useless. Today you're in for a real treat, as this video will show you how to make a dish that has been in our family for a few generations. And we're making a delicious Longdu Braised Duck. Now this recipe gets its name from the Longdu dialect in Zhongshan, China, the native tongue my mother spoke, and was a dish often made by my grandma. However, when she passed away due to cancer, so too did the recipe. And in order to cherish those memories of grandma's cooking, my mother spent well over a decade trying to recreate this dish, and she failed. She failed because the dish she created, the one we're going to show you today, is just so much better than the original. And in order to make this dish, we're going to do two key things: marinate the duck and then braise it. So to marinate the duck, we're going to need duck, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, cooking wine, chicken powder, fermented red bean curd, and salt. For the quantities, we need 1 whole duck. In this video, ours was about 2.1 kilograms, 4 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, half a teaspoon of chicken powder, 2 red bean curd cubes, and 1 teaspoon of salt. So we want to start off by cleaning the inside of the duck and remove any innards or coagulated blood, similar to what we did for our shredded chicken and green beans video. Then we want to cut off the duck butt, as well as the neck skin, so that we can remove the esophagus. Afterwards, trim off the unwanted fat, and all of the unwanted bits should be gone. Then, just chop the neck off. Now give the duck a good wash through, and let it drip dry in a strainer. Or, if you're in a hurry, pat it down dry real good with some paper towels. To make the marinade, get a fork and start squashing the red bean curd. Then add in the dark soy sauce, chicken powder, salt, cooking wine, and light soy sauce, and give the marinade a good mix. Give the duck a good rub with the marinade, using about 1/3 of the marinade inside the duck and the remaining 2/3 on the outside. Keep marinating the duck until the salt dissolves fully. Once you're satisfied with your attempt, make sure your duck is breast side down, then wrap it up and put it in the fridge overnight. Come the next day, take the duck out of the fridge and let it rest in room temperature for about half an hour. To braise the duck, we'll need brown sugar blocks, star anise, fennel seeds, cumin seeds, garlic, ginger, and boiling water. For the quantities, we need half a block of brown sugar, which is around 30 grams, 1 whole star anise, half a teaspoon of fennel seeds, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, 30 grams of ginger, and enough boiling water to submerge about 2/3 of the duck. And in this video, we used about 750 milliliters. Start off by top and tailing the garlic, and then crushing them to remove the skin. Then crush the ginger as well, and keep the skin on. But make sure you've washed it beforehand. We're then going to put our fennel and cumin seeds into a spice filter to make extracting the seeds later on a lot easier. Alternatively, if you have cheesecloth, you can use that or simply just strain the seeds out at the end. So at our stove, turn the heat on high and add in the oil. When the oil is hot enough, add in the ginger and garlic and cook until golden. When golden, push them to the side and start browning the duck skin in that aromatic oil. Every 30 or so seconds, turn the duck over and continue until the duck skin gets some nice color. We ended up browning the entire duck skin for about 2.5 minutes. And be sure not to waste any of that great marinade. Then, with boiling water, submerge about 2/3 of the duck and add in the rest of the ingredients. Before we put the lid on, make sure the breast side of the duck is facing down so that it develops more flavor whilst braising. When the liquid starts to boil furiously, put the lid on and turn the heat down to a medium-low. In total, we're going to braise the duck for about 45 minutes. 20 minutes in, turn the duck over and put the lid back on. Then 15 minutes after that, turn the duck over once more, but leave the lid off for the remaining 10 minutes. We then turn the heat to a medium, as for us, there was still too much liquid to make a thick sauce. For the remaining 10 minutes, ladle the braising liquid onto the duck repeatedly, and move the duck around to prevent it from sticking to the bottom. If we look at the other side, we can see just how gorgeous the duck looks. And we're just going to let the duck sit breast side up for about 1 minute before taking it out of the pot. Just looking at it, you can already tell it's going to be good. Now turning your attention to the sauce, we want to remove all the solids, so strain the braising liquid. Duck by nature is a fatty bird, so we want to get rid of a good quantity of that fat from the sauce. Pour the liquid into a jug and let it sit for a few minutes. And after a few minutes, you'll see that the fats will float to the top. Pour the braising liquid back into the pot with a little bit of that fat. And set it aside for later. Now back to our beautiful specimen. We're going to bring out the cleaver and start chopping the duck into more servable pieces. You can tell that the meat is just tender and juicy from the fats, and the skin is just glistening with flavor. So back to the sauce. Turn the heat on high and cook until the sauce is to the thickness of your liking. When it's done, pour it onto the duck. And if you like, top with whatever garnish you want. And with that, your Longdu Braised Duck is done. So guys, that was my family's recipe for Longdu Braised Duck. I hope you all enjoyed this video. And if you ever get the chance to make this at home, be sure to tell us how it went. And if you want to see any of our future videos, be sure to subscribe. See ya.